Let's look at electrician salary in Senegal. The average electrician income in Senegal is around 3,100 US dollars a year. After tax, this electrician salary in Senegal drops to $2,600, which leaves you with roughly $217 a month in take-home pay. While how much does an electrician make in Senegal depends on location, living in Dakar brings in about $3,100 after tax, but higher costs in the city often eat up that extra money. On top of that, entry-level electrician wages start well below the national average, though pay goes up steadily as you gain basic experience. Having a university degree creates a real gap in electrician pay because it helps you move into higher-paying positions like electrical supervisor or chief technician. Finally, small local firms pay a fraction of what large international employers offer, so finding a job with a multinational company makes a huge difference.